Tired of Coursera's bright white screen burning your eyes at night? Switch to dark mode in 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click in your account settings to enable dark mode permanently. All right, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Coursera. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your account. This is where you take all your courses, so make sure you are on the main website. It should load up looking clean and bright, for now. So once you are logged in, look at the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. It might be a photo you uploaded, or it could just be a little icon with your initials. Go ahead and click on that profile picture. Now, when you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear. From that list, you want to select the option that says Settings. Just click on it. This is the area where you can control everything about your account, from your personal info to notifications, and most importantly, your visual experience. And here is where the magic happens. Once you are on the settings page, you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling past your name, your email, all that stuff. Eventually, you'll see a section labeled Appearance. It might not be at the very top, so just scroll until it's in view. It usually sits near the language preferences. Now, under the Appearance section, you'll see something called Color Theme. Right now, it probably says Light Mode. Click on that drop-down menu. You'll see a few options: Light Mode, Dark Mode, and maybe even an option to match your device settings. Go ahead and select Dark Mode. And that is it. Seriously, as soon as you click it, the entire page will shift from that blinding white to a much easier on the eyes dark gray. No refreshing, no saving required. It changes instantly. So now, next time you are cramming for a late-night quiz or browsing courses at 2 in the morning, your eyes will thank you. The good news is that once you set this, Coursera remembers it. You won't ever have to do this again unless you want to switch back. Give it a try. It takes less than half a minute, and it makes a huge difference. Happy studying!